Hi friends, it's Jana Eubank. I'm back with another Echo Park paper collection to take you on a tour. And this is a birthday collection called Let's Party, designed by Jen Allison. And this set is so cute. It comes with 12 double-sided papers in the collection kit along with a sticker sheet. There's also a coordinating solids kit. This will give you an idea of the colors in the collection. A dark teal, light pink, kind of an orangey red, a yellow, a darker pink, and this green. It also has a coordinating 6x6 paper pad, the ephemera die cuts, frames and tags die cuts. There is a die set with these words that say happy birthday, surprise, hooray, and wish. And here's a look at the size compared to my hand so you can see. There's also two coordinating stencils. One has this confetti pattern with the dots. The other also has a confetti pattern, but it has some streamers mixed in, and you'll see that in the pattern papers. It's right here, but we'll take a closer look at it. And then there's also a coordinating stamp set. Let's take a closer look at the frames and tags die cuts, just the thumbnail images. So cute for making birthday cards. I love that you've got the numbers, cheers, wish. And then here are the ephemera die cuts. And I apologize for not flipping through these. They're just a bit tricky to do on camera. But on the Echo Park paper website, you can see a close-up of all of these by clicking on the package in the product category. All right, I'll give you a flip through of the 6x6 paper pad real quick, just so you can see the scale of these patterns. And a quick look. Of course, we'll go through the bigger pages if you're a scrapbooker or maybe a 3D paper craft and you like the bigger sheets. But for our card makers, here's a look at all the papers real quick. And then they repeat. And here we go. So this is Let's Party by Jen Allison. The first paper is called Party Time, and it features all of the icons in this collection. I love the ballooned animal dogs, the suckers, the candy, the presents. On the back of this sheet is that orangey red and a tiny, tiny stripe. This would be great for a background. Really fun B-side paper. This next one is called Cut the Cake and features this rainbow cake on all the different with colored pedestals with the sprinkles on the side. On the other side, you have a tone-on-tone paper in aqua that says surprise over and over and over. This next paper is called Birthday Balloons. It has all these fun colors. I love the clear one with the confetti. The other side is a tone-on-tone paper again, this time in pink, and it says the word party over and over. Next up are the 3x4 journaling cards. Yippee, the birthday balloons. I love this cupcake with all the candles stuck in it. So cute, celebrate. And then the other side is a hot pink dot. This one's called Make a Wish. Features these accordion rosettes on a white background with confetti in between. So cute. I want to cut those out. And the other side is a tone-on-tone yellow check. This one's called Journaling Cards, and it features a variety of sizes of journaling cards. You've got your balloon dog, you've got your cupcake, your letter balloons. I love the bouncy house, if that's not just classic. And then, of course, this cute cake with the banners. On the back of this page are all of these hooray banners in different colors. So cute. This paper is called Border Strips. I love all the plates with cake on them, the paper chain, All the presents, so cute. The back of this is a really fun multicolored stripe. This next paper is called Hooray Words. Lots of fun birthday phrases and sayings. And the back is that confetti with streamer pattern on a blue, aqua blue background. So this is one of the patterns of one of the stencils. This one's called And Many More, with all of the party hats on a light blue background with confetti in the background. And the other side features all of these adorable presents, all their different bows and wrapping paper. So cute. This one's called Happy Birthday, with the clouds and the letter balloons. Totally cute. The back side features a multicolored diagonal stripe that's a bit thinner than the other stripe we saw earlier. This one's called Party Animals. So cute. And on the back are all of these celebrate words in lots of fun colors. And then this last paper is called Cupcake Celebration on a pink background. Again, those cute cupcakes with all the candles tucked in there. And then the back side is the confetti. And this is the other pattern of the second stencil. Finally, let's take a closer look at all the icons on the sticker sheet. You've got the happy birthday balloon banner. I love the sprinkles, all the candy, even a little Candyland dude. The spinner, such cute things. I love, love, love this paper chain. And then you've got a another border sticker down here. So again, this is the Echo Park Paper Let's Party collection designed by Jen Allison, and I think it's a must-have. Thanks for joining me.